Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 8F Classwork Smoothie Cost. So open the Excel chapter 8. So click the start. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So activity name is Excel 8F classwork smoothie cost and go 22 Excel chapter 8 graded 8F smoothie cost. Click the download the materials and download the all files. So go to the download and open the Excel 8F smoothie cost. Click the enable editing and go to the open the Excel file. So send my title is Excel 8F smoothie cost. So we move to the main project step and total step is 14. So question number 1 is install the Excel download, save and open the workbook name student Excel 8F smoothie cost. So go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel 8F smoothie cost. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is ensure the solver is installed with the smoothie cost worksheet display in the upper left. Click the name box and then click the percent profit to select the cell J5. Open the solver and set the objective cell percent profit J5 to the value 35% and set the variable cell by selecting the range C4 to C6 and click the save. So ensure the solver is installed and with the smoothie cost worksheets and display in the upper left. Click the name box arrow and then per percent profit to select the cell J5. Open the solver and set the objective cell percent profit in cell J5 to the value of 35% and set the variable cell by selecting to the range C4 to C6 and click the solve. So go to the data types and go to the analyze group and click the solvers and solvers upper left. Click the name box arrow and display the upper left and click the name box arrow. Click the name box arrow and click the profit percent in the cell. Select the J5. So select the set the objective in cell J5 and next is set the objective cells J5 and value of percent is 35%. So value of 35%. So value of 35% and set the variable cell by selecting the C4 to C6. So by changing variable cell is C4 to C6. Variable cell selecting the C4 to C6. By changing cell is C4 to C6. C4 to C6 and next is click the cell 35% and click the solve C4 to C6 and click the solve question number and click the save. Profit value of 35% and set the variable by change and save the. So next is click the save, and so question number 1 is complete, and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is save the scenario as no minimum weight and then restore the original value. So save the scenario as a no minimum weight go to the Excel file and click the save. So scenario name is no minimum weight and then restore the original value. Click OK and restore the original value and click OK. So question number 3 is complete. Now we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is open the solver, add a constraints where cell C7 less than is greater than is equal to 7.5 and click the solve. So open the solvers, open the solver dialog box and add the constraints where cell C7 greater than is equal to 7.5 and click the solve. So click the add and cell reference in cell C7. So cell reference in cell C7 and next is greater than is equal to 7.5 and click a solve. Click OK and click the solve. So question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is and save the scenario as a minimum 7.5 pound and restore the original value. Save the minimum 7.5 pounds and restore the original value. So click the save and the scenario name is minimum 7.5 pounds and restore the original value and click the restore the original value. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is add the constant where cell C5 is equal to C6 multiplied 2 and click OK. So click OK and next is add the constant where in cell C5 and is equal to and C6 multiplied by 2 and click the solve. So add the constants, click the solvers, click the add and the cell reference is C5, cell reference in C5 and C6 multiplied by 2 and click a solve. So constant is C6 is equal to C6 multiplied by 2 equal to C6 multiplied by 2 and click a solve. Click OK, click a solve. And next is, so question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, save the scenario as a twice as much answer as the recorded and restore the original value. So copy and just save the scenario. And click the save the scenario, and scenario name is twice as much and evacuators. Click OK and restore the original value. Restore the original value. And next is, so question number 7 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.